Hey guys, I'm Gaby from G&G Print Lab. Today I am very glad to introduce you a new innovative product called EchoSaber. As you can see, an EchoSaber consists of a complete ink cartridge plus 2 packs of replacements. When the inkjet is used up, you could simply detach the reusable printhead and put another replacement into it, and then you can get a new inkjet. So in this way, you could actually get 3 ink cartridges one time. That is more cost effective. Moreover, the printhead could be used for 3 times, so you don't cause any unnecessary waste of it. That is more environmentally friendly. Now I'm going to show you how it works. First, unpack the protection cover and pull the cell strip. Put the cartridge in the printer. So do the color ones. Then you can print whatever you want. But once you run out of it, do remember not to throw it away. The only step you need to take is pushing the bottom of the ink cartridge to get the replacement out of it. And then we just take another new replacement, unpack its protection cover, and we just put it back. You could hear a clear click each time, so let's just call it click cartridge. And then we just put it back to the printer and out. Fast and easy. I know you guys must wonder the comparison of printing performance between this product and original. The left comes from EchoSaber and the right comes from originals. Well, as for me, I can tell you which one is better actually. Both of them are vividly colorful and sharp. Plus, EchoSaber is more cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and easy operated. What are you waiting for? Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in this product, you could easily access to the following website and social media. See you next time!